This is my old wallet. It sort of sucks. It really sucks. This is my new wallet. It's sort of amazing. Really amazing. Get an amazing wallet at theridgewallet.com/Tom and save 10% off your order and get free worldwide shipping with code TOM. Stop having a terrible wallet and get a cool one. Seriously though, they're like really cool and they have a lifetime warranty. You should probably purchase one. I seldom do social things, and yesterday I had like a party, not really a party, I had some friends over just to say what's up to my friends. I hate staying up till 3 in the morning. Hate it, hate it, hate it. I don't understand how people do it. There were some positives though. My friend Mitchell, for whatever reason, decided to bring rice cakes. So we got basil and savory tomato and white cheddar. Mitchell, thank you for the rice cakes. I'm gonna eat these. Another positive is that it gave me a great excuse to clean my condo. I mean, this place has been a mess for the past 2 months. I just haven't been home and I haven't cleaned up anything. Now, it's like you could put this in a home and lifestyle magazine. There's not even any dust anywhere. I don't know if I'm just technologically illiterate. I mean, I'm probably just technologically illiterate, but I got an iPhone last week. This is the most annoying device ever. I can't figure out how to turn the notifications off on sound, so I've only downloaded Instagram and Twitter on here so far, but every time I get a notification, I get a ding. I'm not using this phone as my main phone until like another 2 weeks from now, and then it's sort of my main phone. I don't know, long story. But anyway, I can't figure out how to I like Android better. Hate me in the comments all you want. I just like the Android interface. It's less confusing, it's more compatible with more devices. Apple just like sucks you into their infrastructure and then you're stuck there for the rest of your life. And it's just not a good place to be. That being said, the camera on this is very nice. If you guys have been watching my Instagram stories, if you haven't been watching my Instagram stories, what are you doing? Tom Stefanic on Instagram. Go watch my Instagram stories. But yeah, the camera quality has been a lot better because I mean, this has a beautiful camera, and my Samsung, it has nothing to do with like the Android. Lots of people say that the Android cameras aren't as good. That is categorically false. The problem with my camera is that I just dropped my phone like 500 times so it doesn't focus on anything properly. That's the problem. Okay, I know I give Winnipeg a lot of crap, like a lot, except I've sort of shifted. You know, after this Thanksgiving weekend, by the way, I realized I didn't upload it all this Thanksgiving weekend. I apologize. You know, you guys were having a holiday in the States. Us, it was just a regular weekend, except I thought I'd take some time to spend with friends and whatever. So I'll be back with the uploads. I'll be out of there in like 10 seconds. Yep, that's me. Okay, I'll be out of there in like 10 seconds. My apologies. We might need to cut this clip short. There's parking guy. Oh, he's walking away. Hats off to that parking guy. I've been parked in a loading zone for like 20 minutes. You know what? There are good parking enforcement people out there. Lots of them are assholes, but that guy's nice. Oh, yeah, okay, Winnipeg is officially the best city on earth. Look what happened this weekend.
Clearly, something was off. An officer racing down the sidewalk, tossing a spike belt into the path of an oncoming fire truck.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
All a frantic attempt to stop the driver behind the wheel.
Someone hijacked.
Police say it began in the city's northeast, that a man stole the truck during a medical call.
Authorization was given that we would not be aborting this pursuit given the extreme risk to the public. The threat was very real here.
Eventually, police say the truck came to a halt under this bridge.
And you can see some of that extensive damage to the front of the truck and the front right wheel. And then they add that they had to subdue the suspect using a taser.
Yeah, I rest my case. Winnipeg is the best city on earth. So as you guys know, I picked these up probably 2 weeks ago, last week. I don't know, I picked them up a while ago. This has quickly become, I think, my favorite Yeezy that I own, which is not saying a whole lot. I mean, I own 4 pairs of Yeezys, including these, but I love these. They are so, so, so nice. The Yeezy Aliens. Now, I was able to scoop these up for $400, which is a pretty solid price. For whatever reason, the bigger sizes go for more money in the Yeezy Aliens. And you know, I'm happy with the price, but the only downside was these are a size 11.5, which I can fit, but I prefer a 12. Just a little bit more room, that's my real size. These are stretchy, so an 11.5 works. I prefer a 12. I don't know what it is with Winnipeg resellers or people that are just trying to sell shoes in Winnipeg. I don't know how I continue to get these good prices. But last night, you know what, let's just go to the studio and I'll show you what I got, because this, I can't even explain it. You guys won't even believe me. I don't know how I get this lucky. My sincerest of, whoa. I almost just completely fell over. My sincerest of apologies. The studio is just such a mess. We got, these are all the blanks for the December mystery boxes. We're gonna be including like over 24 pairs of shoes in the boxes. I'm really excited. We got all the blank t-shirts in yesterday. As a result, the studio is just packed with t-shirts and boxes. It's not a workspace I want to be in. It's cluttered. We're gonna have to figure something better out. Inevitably, someone's going to ask. All the November mystery boxes have been shipped out. Thank you for your support. I love you guys. I got, boom, you can see Nike, Jordan, 380, Boost, for stupid prices. Let's take a look at these first, because this blows my mind. Now I know these aren't reselling for a ton. In fact, in this size, my size 12, they're actually not reselling for anything. They're going like bang on retail, which is surprising. I paid $400 US for these. Was it worth it? 100% yes, because I got a video of them 2 weeks early and it more than paid for the shoe and I made money, and it was a positive experience. But I've seen a whole bunch of people doing the cool custom where they like take the glaze off and do a matte finish on them. So I really wanted to procure another pair so I could attempt to do that. Or I should say so I can pay someone to do that, because there's zero way I'm gonna be able to do it. I would screw it up so bad. After the 12% sales tax, which is ridiculous, it's like $247.75. I think it's $240.75 is the total on a pair of Jordan 1s. And I bought these for $230. I don't know. I know they're not reselling for a ton, but I don't know why people are selling these under retail. Once again, this is just someone who messaged me on Facebook in a group that I'm in. I guess he knows I'm in the group, so he found my Facebook, messaged me on Facebook, and was like, yo, I got these. I'm selling them for retail. And I was like, dude, do 10 bucks under retail and I got you. And then he was like, sure deal. And I bought the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s for $10 under retail. You know, it's not something I would wear every day, except there's definitely worse shoes out there in the universe. Very happy that I was able to procure these. Now, enough of these. Let's move on to these. The US equivalent price that I got these for, in my size 12, $323. Okay, we just got news that these are apparently restocking December 12th, I believe is the rumor. So the resale price will probably go down, so this might not be the best price fast forward 2 weeks from now. But as of right now, $320 for a size 12 in Yeezys. Why? Why are people giving me these prices? I mean, thank you for giving me these prices. I'm not complaining, but you could get a lot more money. Hold up, I wanna see if we can open this and close it without it farting. Let's see, moment of truth. Whoa! Again? 2 for 2? Oh, yep, there we go. Okay, let's actually take a look at these shoes as if we really need to. I mean, we have seen these enough times, but bang, here they are. Wow. I don't know, what else can I say about these? They're freaking sick. Yeezy boxes always fart. I know this is a hot take, and I said it a few minutes ago back at home, but this is currently my favorite Yeezy. Like, if I had to wear one Yeezy out and about, this is currently my favorite Yeezy. And this size 12 will be mine. We will have the other pair in the mystery boxes for December with all those t-shirts. And yeah, I'm really excited for that, for one of you guys to get to enjoy this shoe as much as I enjoy this shoe, because this is a freaking amazing pair of shoes. They're so comfortable. I didn't really talk about the comfort or fit last time, so I will talk about the comfort and fit. Most comfortable Yeezy by far, in my opinion, and I know everyone else that I've talked to that has tried these on agrees with me. They're just so springy and squishy, but still are like sort of firm and have support at the same time, if that makes any sense. And sizing, I would go true to size. You could go half a size down if necessary. They are very stretchy and a little bit long, so if you need to go half a size down, do it. If you have wide feet, probably go true to size or even up half a size. But just lengthwise, they are a little bit long, but we know Yeezys, they are generally pretty narrow, and they are stretchy, so you can get away with, you know, not having the perfect size. Yeah, that being said, I like these. Do you like these? Let me know if you like these. Seriously, drop a comment down below. Out of 10, Yeezy Alien 380, out of 10, how much do you like these?